Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. This is the lecture for grade 8th and revision lecture for grade 9th. We have been studying about Unit 2, Making of Pakistan. This is the lecture 1 of week 2. Before that, we have already studied about the events that happens before 1940, including the important resignations of Congress ministries in 1939 at the start of World War. And after that, we have studied about the very important event that held important position in the history of Pakistan as well. That was Lahore Resolution. After Lahore Resolution, to pacify the sentiments of Indians, British have sent the mission known as Cripps Mission. They have given certain proposals, but they were not acceptable by Congress and Muslim League on the grounds, as Congress stated, that there is no clear indication of Indian liberation. They wanted the immediate exclusion of British from India, while for Muslim League there was no clear indication of partition or the Pakistan. So they both have rejected the proposals. After that, there was a need to bring both of the parties together at one platform, as due to the ministries resigned in 1939, there was no proper government structure at that time. So there was the need of interim government to help the next elections. And the question rises that who will form the interim government? So, for the formation of interim government, one of the Liberal Congress leader, Raj Gopal Acharya, has focused that there must be the common ground for Muslim League and Congress to make the interim government. So, he has proposed certain proposals for the formation of interim government. It included that if the Indian liberation is going to be confirmed, so for that Muslim League, after that Muslim League should cooperate with Congress in the making of interim government. And how the Indian liberation must be done, that after World War II, the Muslim majority areas in the northwest, including Punjab, Northwest Frontier Province, and Sindh and Balochistan, while in northeast Bengal and Assam, should be determined by the Commission. And if they are being determined, there must be a choice of referendum given to them, that whether they want to be part of India or they want separation. And if they want the separation, there must be the mutual agreements on the fields of defense, commerce, communication and other important matters, including the constitutions of the separated countries. So, the results of CR formula. CR formula was the proposals that were given by Raj Gopal Acharya. Now, he was the one of the member of Congress, but the Congress could not accept these proposals just because they were against the division of subcontinent. They wanted united India. So, the Congress committee has rejected the proposals straight away, while the Muslim leaders were of the view that if Acharya is accepting the separation of Northwest and Northeast, why are they reluctant to accept Lahore Resolution? There must be something wrong at bottom. But it still has an important place in the history, as two of the important things were highlighted that were the need of that time, including the Indian liberation from British, while the partition of India, that was the utmost need at that time. After that, Gandhi has invited Jinnah for the mutual dialogues, and these dialogues were held at the residence of Quaid-e-Azam in Delhi. There were certain meetings held between Gandhi and Jinnah, and also there was an exchange of 28 letters between both of the leaders, as Gandhi was representing Congress while Quaid-e-Azam was representing Muslim League. They were of the view they both have different views regarding the nationalities, as Gandhi, being the member of Congress, was of the view that whether you belong to any religion, your Indian nationality would be same. While Muslim League, on the other ground, has already given two-nation theory, that how Muslims, on the basis of their culture, civilization, ancient history, mode of living and religion are different from Hindus, and due to these factors, the Muslim need separate state where they could live freely. And if they are going to stay in United India, they will not tolerate any kind of domination of Hindus. Both were reluctant to accept their proposals, as Gandhi's concept of Indian nationality was totally against the two-nation theory generated by Muslim League. So, their meetings were withdrawn without any resolution.